Want to check your IP address, fix Wi-Fi issues, or troubleshoot your internet using just one simple command? Let me show you how to use ipconfig in the command prompt with a real example from Windows. You're watching MrFixIt. Let's dive in. First, open the command prompt. Press the Windows key and R together, then type CMD and press Enter. In the black CMD window, type ipconfig, then press Enter. Now let's break down what you see. Here's a real output from a Windows 10 computer. Wireless LAN adapter. Wi-Fi. This is your main Wi-Fi connection. Look for IPv4 address. This is your current IP address on your local network. Subnet mask. Defines the network size, usually 255.255.255.0. Default gateway. This is your router's IP address. This section is the most important if you're using Wi-Fi. Other adapters you might see. VMware adapters, used by virtual machines. Bluetooth, Ethernet, or local area connections. If they say media disconnected, it means they're not active. If you're just using Wi-Fi, you can ignore these. So when should you use this command? If your internet isn't working. To confirm you're connected to your router. To find your IP for port forwarding or file sharing. Or when troubleshooting connection issues. Want more detailed info? Run this command. ipconfig/all. It shows your MAC address, DNS servers, DHCP status, and more. Is your Wi-Fi stuck? Try this quick reset. First, release your current IP, ipconfig/release. Then renew it, ipconfig/renew. This often fixes connection problems instantly. Now you know how to use ipconfig like a pro and what all that info means. If this video helped, don't forget to like, subscribe, and turn on notifications. Next up, we'll show you how to use the ping command to test your internet. Stay tuned, right here on MrFixIt.